Are you looking to buy your first point-and-shoot camera in 2024? Today I tested an amazing beginner point-and-shoot camera. My name is Tobias and let me introduce you to the Canon IXUS 185. The Canon IXUS 185 is a 20 megapixel compact camera which weighs only 126 grams, including the battery pack and the SD card. I like its simple design and the menu is easy to navigate. Now onto the most important part, the image quality. I've added some unedited footage for you guys, so you can form your own opinion on it. I was really impressed by the image quality this little cheap camera produces. For video quality, it can only record 720p HD films. This is a little bit disappointing, but if you are taking videos just as memories, or only plan to publish them on social media, it should be fine. Overall, I rate the Canon IXUS 185 a 7.5 out of 10. For everyone looking for a first cheap camera, it is definitely recommended. For more short camera reviews, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.